Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel? Question mark. It's
Question
really
mark.
it's really being back. It was I was just here a couple minutes ago. So we're doing another one of these videos. So by the way, we tried to do a live stream and it wouldn't work. So
Yeah, we ended up just doing a couple videos.
yeah, this is gonna be our live stream. Yeah,
But we will try to get that up and running for next time.
next Halloween,
Or
cause
next whenever.
you Christmas.
Yo, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate.
Wait, uh, uh, okay. Lua is so good. So he's basically playing the old version of Dungeons and Dragons with Lua and Goldsock. Remember when they put Goldsock to 3 right before the Thunder Dragons came out?
Yep.
It was funny. Thunder Dragon is pretty good in dangers, because you can search 2 of them with 1 card, and it gives you increased odds of not hitting the danger. Okay, that's pretty good. Even paying attention to the game. She's just like sitting here doing nothing. Apparently this can search for a dragon collapse or whatever. That's pretty good. The heck? Maybe part 3 as well, by the way.
Maybe. We have time.
Yeah. Oh, it wasn't a pilot move. Okay. And yes, I'm just like laying down now. My leg fell asleep. So I can't like I'm kind of like stuck.
I'm so short.
They're coming for you.
Oh, they coming for you, fool.
I I do.
Jaywalking.
Jaywalking. Me. You okay? Can't hear it. There's a cop car out there. They're
So good.
coming.
She, whatever.
Coming after you for going outside butt ass naked.
No, not me. Not that cold.
It was during the summer.
Not period.
Not on your period.
I didn't know what I said.
So, by the way, earlier when she was hitting me and I was hitting her, I just want to be clear that it was playful.
We do it all the time. Ow.
Like,
Ow.
we're like, we have a beautiful relationship. I want to thank everybody who wished us a happy anniversary. Look, you people. So they just invited me to the story. So I'm gonna embarrass my wife for Halloween. So I don't know if you guys are old enough to remember the show, but there was a show called Power Rangers. And See that? That's embarrassment because she knows the story already. So I came in from doing the trash, come into the bedroom. This woman is playing Dinosaur Thunder Dragons, aka Dino Thunder, while listening to the Power Rangers Dino Thunder theme song. I died inside. I was like laughing so hard.
It was funny.
Hmm? What? I guess this card? Trying to get the camera right. Should have probably done this at the desk.
Oh well,
Next video.
maybe. Who is this under me?
Cats. Then again, we have three four-legged babies. One is like smaller one is back. Oh, it shows back into that. Ah, I can't reach. That was literally the best card you could shuffle back for me. I got all the other cards in my hand. That was the worst card in my hand. So that was perfect. That was great. I'm not gonna tell him that, obviously, because why?
Duh. It's good for you.
Uh, Jeez, this field. Double negate and then I can't search. Really? Um, I'm trying to beat up the negations. Actually, I only need to get out one negation. When I really,
Surprise.
yeah. Um, that stick. Um, oh wait, wrong one. Oops. Yeah, it's like super quiet right now. I turned him. I was thinking the other guy. Hey, he's cool about it. You okay? You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, I'm gonna try to keep going. Actually, I'll put this here. I'm like trying to how I can how I was gonna play around double negations. I did a pretty good job, I think. Um, Wait, did I forget to put school something? I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you think, guys. Below. I hope you did.
Oh, it's